Do you ever feel unsteady when you just walk, turn, or even just stand still? That's not always aging. It's weak hips and a core that's not always fully supporting you. And today we're going to fix both. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a physical therapist, and these simple hip and core exercises help with everyday stability. Let's start with farmer's carry while marching. Start by holding a weight in one hand with your elbow bent at about shoulder height. By lifting that weight up, we really challenge your core. Now slowly lift one knee at a time like you're marching in place. Your job here is to stay as tall as you can. You'll feel your body lean toward the weight. Try not to let it. This is what wakes up your deep core muscles. Keep your core muscles activated by drawing your belly button to your spine and move slowly enough that you're controlling each step. After about 10 or 12 marches, switch the weight to your other hand and repeat. Sit to stand from a chair. Go ahead and sit toward the front of your chair with your feet underneath you, about hip distance apart. Press through your heels and stand up tall, then sit back down with control. This movement is one of the best functional leg strengthening exercises. As you stand, make sure your knees don't collapse inward. Keep them apart and keep your chest lifted. If this feels too easy, try crossing your arms as you stand. Supported heel raises. Stand behind a chair or countertop and place your hands lightly on it for support. Slowly lift your heels off the floor as high as you comfortably can. Then lower back down slowly. You'll feel this in your calves because we're training the stability of your ankles, which is key for walking on uneven ground, stepping off curbs, and catching yourself if you stumble. Try not to rush the movement. Think about lifting up with control and lowering with intention. Side steps with resistance band. Place your band around your legs, either above your knees or at your ankles. Keep your toes pointing forward and your hips level. With your knees bent, take a step to the side, then return to the start position without letting your knees collapse inward. You should feel the muscles on the outside of your hips working. Those are your gluteus medius muscles, and they play a big role in keeping you stable when you walk. This movement should come from your hips, not your shoulders. Go for about 10 steps in each direction. This exercise is one of the best ways to support balance while walking and turning. Standing chops and lifts. Hold your weighted ball with both hands and stand with your feet about hip width apart. Start with the ball near your shoulder on one side. Now slowly bring it down across your body toward the opposite hip. Keep your hips facing forward and your core engaged. From that low position, lift the ball back up along the same diagonal path. Try to keep your upper body moving while your lower body stays steady. Just guide the ball through a smooth diagonal line. Do this 10 times on one side, then switch and repeat on the other side. Move with control, stay tall through your spine, and let your core do the work of keeping you stable. Keep your core muscles activated by drawing your belly button to your spine. You might even notice one side feels harder than the other. That's normal. For this exercise, I'm using an 8-pound weighted ball. You can use any weight that you are able to control through the range of motion or no weight at all. Strong hips and core work together throughout every step, turn, and bend throughout the day. Do these exercises 2 to 3 times a week to stay strong. If you're ready for stronger, steadier legs, you'll want to watch this video next. It'll help you build leg strength that'll keep those sudden slips from turning into a fall.